Mustang Coupe. I just told Rob, don't move. I do all the cropping. Sorry, am I being too controlling?
I'm not moving.
Oh, let me get the shadow off you. Oh, there you go. All right. Here it goes, guys. The 2019 Corvette. You know I like Corvettes. Check this out. And there she is. This is a bad mamma jamma. My buddy Danny Davis has a white one. And I drove this car and I just kept driving it. I was just having such a good time. I took the traction control off of it, and let's just say it's fun both ways. Does that sound bad? It's fun both ways?
No, it's fine.
That didn't sound right. All right, so here it is. The 2019 Corvette at the auto show. I'm kind of competing with this announcer over here, but she's a beauty. And look at his exhaust. Look at his exhaust. Look at this. Look at this. Look at these exhausts. Look at that. Is that not amazing? Is that not amazing? Look at the design they put into this car. Corvettes have always been a completely unique body. And I love the 70, you guys know, I love the 78 pace car. This is the black and silver is awesome. So I just wanted to show you the car. Look at this, look at this. Look, again, scoops on the top. Scoops on the top. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. There's a little shot of the interior. Here's the beautiful grille on the side. Rims are awesome.
Carbon skirts.
And I am backing up. All right, guys. Well, let me do it again. All right, guys. This is what I do. It's my sacrifice to me, or to everybody else, to show beautiful women on video. This is a hard job. This is a hard job. This is a hard job. And this beautiful, gorgeous woman works at
FC Kerbeck.
She works at, she's not a model. Well, you are a model now. This kind of makes you a model.
Model.
Are you a salesperson at
Not
FC
in
Kerbeck?
sales.
What are you in?
Well, on Saturdays I am a greeter and a hostess, and my twin sister,
Sister?
Yes, she's in the service
So
department.
there's a spare of you.
Yeah, she's in
Oh,
there.
wow, my gosh, there's two of them.
Yes.
This girl, this woman works at FC Kerbeck, and she represents, what are the models? No, not you model, I mean the cars. Yeah, the cars.
Well, in premium we have Aston Martin, we have Karma, Maserati, Bentley, Lamborghini, and Rolls Royce.
She's high end.
But we also have Cadillac.
Oh, that's good for the little people. For the Cadillac people, don't worry, you'll get a Maserati someday, or you won't. But if you want to, you could possibly buy it there at FC Kerbeck.
Come join us.
She's great, isn't she? Thank you.
No problem.
It's a tough job, but somebody's got to do it. Thank you.
You're funny. No
thank you.
problem.
I appreciate it.
Anytime.
We take the frustration out of restoration.